Hello, I'm Mike Lim. I'm from Acer Thermal team. I'm going through all the sixth generation of the AeroBlade design, and you can see this one is the first generation, and then this one is the normal plastic fan. And this normal plastic fan is like 0.8 millimeter, and the first generation is at 0.1 millimeter. So it's like 1/8 of the thickness, and it can actually generate like 50% more airflow under the same form factor of the blade comparing to the plastic one. And because we use metal as the fan blade material, so it's very flexible. So it can actually extend while it rotates very fast. So that's why it can generate more airflow. And because the thickness of the fan blade, so we can put more fan blades count into the same form factor. So the next generation we added 37 blades to 59 blades, and it creates like 25% more airflow comparing to this one. And the third generation is an interesting one because we use like aerospace turbine engine technology that this 3D structure can actually grab more air into the fan, so it can generate like 10% more of the framework under the same form factor. And the fourth one is we added like bionic design into it. As you can see, the winglet design, it can block the airflow from rotating into the front side, so it can reduce the turbulence. And the edge of the fin tip, like finger structure, it can actually break the turbulence, so it can reduce the noise level and increase the airflow. Okay. So the fifth one, we reduce the thickness from 0.1 millimeter to 0.08 millimeter. So it's like 20% thinner than the previous generation. And we increase the blade count to 89 blades, and increase 55% airflow comparing to the first one. And the sixth generation is the latest generation, and it's the world's thinnest fan blade. It's 0.05 millimeter. So comparing to the normal plastic fan, 0.8 millimeter, it's like 16 times thinner. And we increased the blade count to 100 blades. And we also add the cool new feature called adaptive blades. The structure can actually extend and grab more air into the fan. So comparing to the first generation, we increased to 65% airflow comparing to the first one. So that's my presentation. Thank you.